So this is the mark from last Saturday. This was 2 days in, and this is today.
I grew an entire inch in just 7 days.
After 1 week of listening to height increasing subliminals. To recap, I grew 1 centimeter in 1 week.
Like you saw many people claiming to grow with the help of subliminals. Does this work or not? Let's find out. Firstly, let's understand what subliminals are, and why do people claim they work. Subliminals are whispers that pass through your conscious mind and are captured and analyzed by the subconscious mind, typically hiding inside a tune of music or sound. They are a bunch of positively written affirmations written to make your subconscious mind believe something to make it a reality. Basically, how this works is, you listen to a subliminal and your subconscious mind grabs all the information in that video. As you know, the subconscious mind stores everything. When you compare your height with someone down the road you are comparing to see who is taller, it's all done by your subconscious mind. All your fears, insecurities, pleasures, fetishes, habits are stored inside your subconscious mind. About 90% of your daily activities are done subconsciously. Because of this grand power of our subconscious mind, a subliminal community has created a hypothesis that you could become what your mind believes, so you'll grow taller only when you'll believe you will get taller. This is the basic and core concept of subliminals. If you are a very scientific person and think, what is this dumb AI talking about, reading script written by some AI tools and saying these works while it clearly doesn't make sense. Even if you do not believe subliminals work, you cannot ignore how powerful a word might be. The simple word "I love you" said by your parents can save you from choosing wrong path of your life. A simple hug from a loved one could make your day. Similarly, look at this experiment done on bowl of rice to prove the power of our words. The thing to note, my dear humans, is the rice are kept at the same temperature, and the experiment is done in the span of 2 years. So to prove the power of our words, you take 3 bowls of rice. Then to the first bowl of rice you say positive affirmations like you are good, healthy, etc., etc. To the other bowl of rice he says negatively like, you are stupid, nobody likes you, you are a failure to the society. Hope these aren't the words of your parents. Anyways, he ignored the last jar of rice. Predict what happened. Firstly, imagine if the rice were real human beings who could hear, and they were your child and you were their parent. How would the kids grow? As predicted, a similar case happened to the jars of rice. But first, take a look at these jars of rice. Which do you think was the love, hate, ignored jar of rice? It's pretty clear, isn't it? Just like the experiments, if you listen to subliminals, you are feeding your brain good words which might help it release more growth hormone, relieve stress, delay growth plate closure, motivate you, at the very least remove negative thoughts, stress which kills your growth hormone. It would be best to make your own subliminals if possible, just to be sure no negative affirmations are put on it, otherwise it may have negative effects like the rice. Or you just find a trusted subliminal maker on YouTube. There are plenty of them. In conclusion, does subliminals increase height directly? No. Do subliminals help you produce more growth hormone? I think yes. At last, does subliminals help you grow taller indirectly? Yes. Are those videos fake? Yes. Nobody can grow 1 inch in 1 week, that's BS. The results shown in the video could be biased measurements, feet above ground, etc., etc. That's pretty much it. If you follow other methods I have in my channel along with good diet, HIIT, subliminals, it will be best and you could grow 1 inch in 2 to 3 months.